The city of San Diego's new trash fee will go forward as planned. Welcome to The 4. Happy Friday. I'm Marcella Lee.
I'm Carlo Chiquetto. Just a couple of hours ago, a judge denied a request to grant a preliminary injunction that would have put the new fee on hold while a lawsuit makes its way through the system. CBS 8's Kelly Hessedall joins us live from the Hall of Justice, where that hearing was held in civil court. Kelly.
That's right, and this is a win for the city, but this battle is far from over. So yes, the judge's ruling today means the city can go forward and collect this new trash fee while this case makes its way through the legal system. Now, I want you to listen to an exchange between one of the attorneys for the plaintiffs and the judge.
This is an unconstitutional fraud on the people of San Diego.
Maybe eventually.
Okay.
Maybe eventually, right?
All right, I'm with you, but the one thing I'm saying is this. It's a double fraud, because not only are they not telling the truth, and by the way, Your Honor, not a single elected official, the decision makers, did not contest what we're saying. They did not say what we're saying is false.
Wait, which part?
Any of it.
And that was the attorney, Michael Aguirre, again, represents the plaintiffs, and he made all sorts of arguments today, such as this trash fee is a ruse. The city is just using this money to plug a budget shortfall they have. They fooled the voters. The judge said, yeah, you know, these are some great arguments for trial if it gets to that point, but we're not there yet, so save these for trial. Now, the courtroom was packed full of homeowners opposed to this fee who pushed back against the city's argument that the voters passed Measure B approving the new fee because they say the voters agreed to a $20-some fee, not a $43 one. An attorney representing the city addressed this claim that the city is just taking money from taxpayers to fund all sorts of things. Here's what he said.
That's like saying that you think somebody is going to have trouble meeting their bills, and so they're going to go rob the corner store rather than cut costs or find other ways to meet their obligations. The city has worked really hard to come up with a fee that is going to provide a robust solid waste management service.
And there were some kind of murmurings in the courtroom while he was talking, so that some of the people in the gallery were kind of heckling him to the point that Aguirre turned to them and had to quiet people down. But both sides are due back in court October 24th, so it's possible a trial date could be set then. Marcella and Carlo?
Kelly, sounded like a pretty lively courtroom. What was the reaction from some of the people to the judge's ruling to let this fee go forward for now?
Yeah, I talked to one of the plaintiffs as she was leaving court today, and she told me she wasn't surprised by the judge's ruling. And actually, she says she's excited going forward because she really believes the judge is taking their arguments seriously, and she's really hoping that this case does make it to trial so that they can have their day in court.
Yeah, Kelly, the judge didn't really attack the core of their case, so we're going to see how this is going to play out in a courtroom. Kelly Hessedall reporting for us. Thanks, Kelly.